Don't let another night of poor sleep leave you feeling stressed and exhausted. The Sound Oasis BST-80 Sleep Sound Therapy System can help you get the rest you need so you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. The BST-80 includes 20 made-for-sleep sounds that were developed in conjunction with world-leading doctors on sleep. The BST-80 is an ideal solution for people suffering from insomnia, tinnitus, or simply trying to sleep with noisy neighbors. The BST-80 is also perfect for helping babies and children sleep. And it's great for creating privacy when you work. Simply press a button and enjoy Sound Oasis' superior built-in sounds that are used in homes, offices, hospitals, and leading hotels around the world. Unlike other sound machines, the BST-80 also works as a Bluetooth speaker, so you can enjoy new music or sounds from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth device. You even get free use of Sound Oasis apps, so you can enjoy more sounds and customize the playback frequencies to your optimum comfort level. You can even download new sounds from the Sound Oasis website for unlimited sound variety. The BST-80 is also rechargeable. You can keep it plugged in with the included USB charge cable or use it without cords. At 12 ounces in weight and 5 inches tall, the BST-80 is ideal for traveling. Yet its big bass sound is able to fill your room with high-quality sound. Take control of your sound environment and let the Sound Oasis BST-80 help you get the deep, restorative sleep that your body needs. Sound Oasis. Sleep better, feel better, live better.